कांड मामले में आरोपी सौरभ और गौरव लूथरा ने दिल्ली की अदालत में अग्रिम जमानत याचिका दाखिल की है। इसमें यह दलील दी गई है कि आग लगने के वक्त वो नाइट क्लब में मौजूद नहीं थे। ऐसे में उनके ऊपर आपराधिक दायित्व ये नहीं थोपा जा सकता। वहीं दूसरी तरफ गोवा के टूरिज्म मंत्री ने कहा है कि लूथरा बंधुओं को जल्द से जल्द गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा।
वो अग्निकांड मामले पर मेरे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए गोवा के टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर गोवन खौंटे जी मौजूद हैं। सर, सबसे पहले तो ये जानना चाहूंगा कि ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, क्या इसने टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट के ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज जो है वो क्रिएट कर दिया है, और उस चैलेंज से बाहर निकलने के लिए पूरी सरकार जो है वो क्या कुछ कर?
Let us understand government and governance first. Tourism is an industry for Goa. Livelihoods are dependent on this industry. Economy के लिए tourism बहुत important है. हमारा as a tourism minister, I am related to my department. As an industry, it's a collective department. Departments are involved. You have FDA, excise, panchayat, police, many more departments which are health, which are related to ensuring the collective responsibility that tourism goes well. We are in terms of promoting tourism, registration of people, hotels, registration of ensuring safety and security on the beach. Now, this type of properties where the tragedy happened did not directly come under the ambit of registration of tourism, but we need to ensure that the tourist gets the safety and security. So, from our point of view, we need to ensure and give that security of security to the tourist who would want to come into Goa, internationally or domestic. Prime month of December, already we have been having a setback of Indigo operations, which made the operations for the tourists to come in, whether for weddings, whether for other matters, coming into Goa became an issue. And that was a setback for the tourism industry as such, in terms of the hotel and the other operations. Simultaneously, this unfortunate tragedy has happened. So as we look at putting things together, we are with the families, we are concerned about that, and action and inquiry has started immediately on this. The Chief Minister also constituted committees for ensuring that regulations are abided and enforcements are also being taken very strictly on this type of illegalities. Such type of other properties which may belong to these brothers or somebody else need to be immediately looked at, is what a very clear direction the Honorable Chief Minister has given.
तो इस बुलेटिन में फिलहाल इतना ही, लेकिन ईटी नाउ स्वदेश पे खबरों का सिलसिला लगातार जारी है।